Hi mates, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to trade items in Rocket League. And just to know, it's not complicated, just watch this video all the way to the end to learn how to do it. So first let's see what we can trade, what items we can trade. To see your inventory, just click on Garage here and click on Manage Inventory here. And before I start, actually gotta tell you, you can trade also blueprints, but as you know, they cost real money. So yeah, if you want to trade with them, just right click on them and you can choose. Actually, I don't have a 5-1, so yeah, we don't need them actually, because as I said, they cost real money. So if you want to trade something that doesn't cost real money, just let's say this metallic pearl, just click on it and then click on this rectangle here to see all this type purple items. I don't know how it's called, very rare paint, very rare items, rare items. So let's say we want to trade all this. Actually, I won't trade them because they're very rare. So as you can see now, here it appears this message: trade in 5 items of the same quality to receive an item of the next highest quality. So that mean when you trade these 5 items of very rare, then you'll get one very rare item but with the next highest quality. So yeah, when you click on accept, that means you'll get a better item with a higher quality. And yeah, that was how to trade in Rocket League. If I helped you out, make sure to give a like. I don't want to trade them because they're very real, as I said, and I don't have a lot of items actually. Yeah, just a few. And yeah, that was it. If I helped you out, make sure to give a like. And also, if you have some problems, if you have some questions, don't be hesitant to leave them in the comments down below the video. And in a few days I'll try to respond if I can. Yep, see you next video. Bye.